So after you have cleaned up the data, you can store your data either in a warehouse, which is just structured tables, rows and columns sort of data. So we just have structured tables, rows and columns sort of data, and data is stored in the Delta table format, which is capable of using the time travel concept. You can go back to a certain point in time, find out what data you had a few days ago, a few months ago, yesterday, just an hour ago. So there's basically support for data or record versioning available here. And this is mostly suitable if you mostly have SQL querying sort of requirements. Or if you have more complex requirements, you want to act as data scientists, you want to utilize files as well, raw files, and you still want to create your structured tables, then in that case, we use something called Lakehouse. So Lakehouse, it's basically a warehouse plus data lake.